close to big and fast. Near the dam. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3.
Big crane working on the power lines. It's overhanging, so you gotta be careful.
Cool.
Wat Sirindhorn, which is at Sirindhorn Dam. Over to that side over there, you can see water. We're actually here to try to catch this for the nighttime. We understand that the lighting here is beautiful after dark or as it's getting dusk. See all the little engravings in the concrete here. My intentions are to try to fly the drone, but it's a little windy. We'll see. I think you can. I don't know exactly what lights up. These may be fluorescent. Same with that stuff over there. Three-headed naga on either side. Ouch, that was my toe. This guy up here working on it. Wow, very tedious work. Each individual little piece he's putting in. Sweaty cop. Can you imagine the labor to do every one of these like he's doing, each individual piece? I don't know if maybe the sun glare when I got over to the step. I didn't see the yellow and black striping over there, and I stumbled through it. There's a lot to this place. I'm guessing all this stuff is fluorescent. Whenever the lights come on, it all shines out. We'll find out. We came here for sundown. It's supposed to be an incredible view. Look at the view out across the valley. I'm guessing we're looking out towards Laos now. It's quite a ways down the mountainside there. And you see the tree in the end of the building there. All the decorations here below. I've seen pictures of this at night, and I thought it was lights, but it looks like this is going to be all like fluorescence. Everybody says the sundown is the time to be here. So we're going to find that out. Just look out across the lake. I'll come back in a few. catching the sunset here at Sirindhorn Dam at the Sirindhorn Temple. Wat Sirindhorn. Awesome view. As soon as it gets a little bit darker, I'm going to attempt to fly the drone again around the temple here. It's supposed to be able to see everything in the dark, and it appears that you will be able to. Hello, Jai.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. But still give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.ตอนนี้ผู้คนมากมายนะคะรอที่วัดภูพร้าวค่ะวัดสิรินธรวรารามนะคะรอให้เรืองแสงวันนี้แสงเริ่มมาแล้วนะคะ
Okay, we hope you've enjoyed the content today. We're waiting around here until it gets dusk to do the drone. I'm going to try to do a little bit before that. It's a little windy. I may not be able to. We'll see. Anyhow, if you like this content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out. Right now, it's not so good.
วัดเรืองแสงนะคะ
Jai standing in the fluorescent lighting at Wat Sirindhorn. I see the lights are starting to come on now.
วัดเรืองแสงค่ะเพื่อนๆสวยงามมากๆเลยสวยจริงๆวัดสิรินธรวรารามนะคะวัดเรืองแสง